Hello all, welcome back. As of you know, today we will discuss about how to perform closing action on browser using Tosca tool. Okay, in last today we seen that how to perform launching action on browser using Tosca tool and how to launch the web application in a particular browser using the Tosca tool. We already seen in last video. If you didn't see in that video, I put the link of that video in this video description. You can watch on later. Okay, today in this video we will see the how to perform the closing action on a browser using Tosca tool. First we generally will see that in generally we will see the steps of the performing closing action, and we will go to the practical closing process, or using Tosca tool we will do the afterwards. So first we will create the test case folder or test case with the name of closing windows. With the name closing window, I will create the first test case folder. Then we need standard module to perform the closing action. For that, TBox Windows Operation one standard module is there. So that standard module I will drag and drop to the test case folder, our respective test case folder. After that, we need to give the some inputs to perform the closing action. So that inputs are caption and operations. So we need to give caption and operation for inputs to that test case folder. After giving the inputs, we will run that test case folder in the ScratchBook. So after running in the ScratchBook, we will get the final result as a closing of the browser. Okay, this is the flow of the steps we are going through now. So first the module is there, standard module is there. We are dragging and dropping the standard module to the particular test case folder. After dragging and dropping, we need to give some inputs like caption and operations. After giving the input, we will run that test case folder to the in ScratchBook. Okay, we see in the general things. We will go to the practical. So in last video we already launched the web browser and opening the some particular application. So I will continue that part with this only. Means I already opened browser and opened web application things. I am now performing the closing action on that. So I am coming here. This demo website of is the last video test case. Okay, now I will create the test case with the closing window. Name as a closing window. So for that we need a standard module. So I will go to the module, in that standard module, in that TBox automation tool. In that we have basic Windows operations. In basic Windows operation we have TBox Windows operations. So I need to drag and drop this standard module to the our respective test case folder. So I will minimize this folder. This is this module, and I am dragging and dropping this module to the our respective test case. Okay. Now we need to give the input like captions. Caption means we need to give the input. Caption means we need to give the application name, web application name. So we are launching the application like demo web shop application we are launching. So I am giving the name of that demo web shop. I am giving short name demo only. The further name should be demo web shop or demo shop only, or anything it will be there, but first letter should be demo, it will be. So operations, in operations we have many things like closing, maximizing, minimizing, normalizing, wait on, close, wait on, open. So we have many things, but first we need now closing operation. So I will go to closing action. So now we already given to the input to this. Now we will run this to in ScratchBook. Sorry, before launching I did some mistake here. Wait, I will show. Okay, here demo I put it small d, need to capital D, because this is the more case sensitive. So I replace small d with capital D. Okay, Now we will run this to in ScratchBook. So after running in ScratchBook, first we will open the Chrome browser, and it will open our particular web page, and it will close that web browser also and application also. ScratchBook, see, it's open the Chrome browser now. It open application and it will close. Okay, see here, get the result. The opening URL means the opening of the web application is ticked with the green color, and TBox window, this test case also passed. So this is the closing action we performed. So we will meet again with the next video. Until that, keep learning, keep focusing. Bye bye.